This video explains how to use and connect multiple low-voltage wires using quick splice connectors. Wires may vary, but usually have a smooth side and a grooved side. You should be able to feel the difference. ATMOX instructions show the smooth side as positive and the grooved side as negative. Be consistent across the full installation. The first wire attached to the controller is the primary wire. Any additional wires connected to the primary wire are called supplemental wires. Remember that everything connected together will operate on the same colored output. Go to the primary wire. Select the location where you want to attach the supplemental wire. Split the wire. Make a cut directly in the center groove. Then pull apart to make a loop. Be careful not to strip the internal wire and don't cut across the wire. Take your new supplemental wire. Cut the end of the supplemental wire to make sure it is smooth and even. Cut the middle of the supplemental wire a few inches from the end. Pull the ends apart. The positive and negative of the supplemental wire must match the primary wire. Fans will not run if you reverse things. Take a quick splice connector. Find the negative or grooved side of the primary wire and push the wire into the quick splice connector. Insert the negative end of the supplemental wire into the connector until it stops. Use pliers to push metal splice through both wires. Push the cover down to close. Repeat this process with the positive side of the wires. Secure the wire and create service loops at connections. Pull the supplemental wire to the remaining fans or accessories on this color output. For additional assistance, visit us at atmox.com or call us at 704-248-2858.